Yeah, fuck it, there's just nothing to that. How to open a BMW fucking door from the back. Fuck's sake. Mate, it's a fucking shithole, innit? Fuck me, the power steering. Mate, these mirrors are fucking shit. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So back on the E36, like I said, we're doing a bit of a project series on this car over the next couple of months. I mentioned in the last video that the paintwork is absolutely battered. So one of the first things I wanted to do is bring it down here at Restoration Refinishing in Dunkeswell, get Charlie to have a look over all the bodywork and get this bodywork looking how it should. So it is absolutely battered, as we had a little walk around in the last video, but for those that haven't seen it, can have a look round. We've got, it's chafing, it's got acne. The car's got acne, which is not good. So we basically, today, Charlie's going to strip it all down, isn't he? He's going to take some bits off. And over the next couple of months, we're going to take this down to the Cars and Cuppers meets and show people the progress on this car. Because I want to make this a bit of a project over the next like 3-4 months maybe. So it'd be good to get some people local on board and they can sort of keep up to date of the progress of the build. So today, like I said, we're going to take a few bits off. So Charlie's going to be keeping this car here for the next month or so. So that means taking off all the lights, badges, trim bits, the dodgy E36 M3 mirrors that we're going to end up probably getting normal mirrors for, because we just don't like them. They don't fit that nice at all either. We also need to check out some of the rust issues with this car. Obviously, we've got wings that are wearing away. We've got literally nothing to that whatsoever, but luckily these can be replaced easy enough. We've got rust on the back, we've got rust in the window surround. If you come through here, we need to have a look at sorting that out in there, because that's not great, is it? Can you see that? It's pretty bad, mate. So I have got a shell from someone that we know, from someone called Shelby, funny enough. It's mad, isn't it? Shell from Shelby. So she's got an E36 shell that we can sort of take that off and Charlie can work his magic and do that. But basically, yeah, purpose of this video today is check out some of the bodywork. Let's get this first stage of the bodywork done, get it stripped, and then we'll see how it is. So I'll introduce you to Charlie at Restoration Refinishing in a minute, and then we'll crack on with this E36 track car. So we've got the E36 in the booth at Restoration and Refinishing. So Charlie's been smashing it out so far. So we've obviously, as you can see, we've got front bumpers off. We're just about to take the wings off. The wings are getting replaced completely just because they're absolutely buggered. Obviously, we pointed out earlier, they're all rusted out at the bottom. But the front bumper is being replaced anyway, isn't it, for the M3 style bumper, because that one's been crashed. All the fog lights are buggered on that. So it'd be nice to have the M3 style ones. If we have a little walk around, what else has been taken off so far? So Charlie's done the back bumper. We've done the lights. The lights are absolutely hanging, so they need to be cleaned up properly, don't they? There's like dog hair and all sorts in them. As you can see here, so we've taken off the number plate. So back when I was doing some bits on this car, like last year when I bought it, we did notice this. So obviously I'm going to pick up that, that's like sort of donor car from Shelby, and hopefully she'll have a nice boot for us, and we'll just use that, because this is buggered in it. There's holes in it and all sorts. So there's not a good panel in this car so far, is there? But all inside the boot area is like relatively nice, isn't it? I say relatively nice, it's hardly nice, but it'll do. So next plan of action is going to do the wings, take the lights out, and then probably take off a few more door panels. Obviously, this driver's door is going to be replaced as well on that donor car, so we'll just swap that over, get all the bumpers and that on order, and then I suppose it'll be a case of after that, sand everything down and get everything painted once we've got all the new parts sort of thing. So yeah, let's get these wings off, get the lights off, and we'll see how the car's looking in about half hour.
A few moments later.
He's got the guns on here then.
Go on.
No,
There we go.
fucking
Let's get the.
oh, fuck that. Why did you stick me up with the fucking difficult one? Fucking hell. Finished up on the E36, done what we can for today. Well, I say we, Charlie's done it all. I've just done nothing basically, but wings are now off. So we got up to that stage of the process. So wings are off, bumpers off, whole front end's off. We've come across potentially a couple of issues, haven't we? So apparently these side bits are a bit soft, so they're going to need to be looked at. We've got an issue underneath the bonnet that we knew about anyway, which was around the windscreen pan. So if we have a look in there, it's proper gone in there, isn't it? So that needs to be looked at some point. Obviously we've got the donor car, so we hopefully cut a bit out of that and patch it in. Other than that, everything else is pretty much off now, isn't it? That needs to be. Plan is now obviously take it down to Cars and Cuppers next weekend. So by the time this video's going to go out tomorrow, hopefully. So we're going to get this down to Cars and Cuppers. People can see and keep up to date with the progress on this car. And then obviously you can meet Charlie and the team at Restoration Refinishing, get a bit of an idea on what he can do. And the people down there can find out a little bit more about sort of the bodywork and some of the stuff that's going to be happening to this car. So if you're down at our Cars and Cuppers meets, make sure you come check this car out, speak to myself, speak to Charlie, and find a little bit more about the E36 build. Obviously now I've got to order the M Sport bumpers, skirts, get the original mirrors because these M3 mirrors are just not cutting it. And yeah, just get all the other bits done, and then Charlie can start obviously painting a couple of different panels, get it down to the next Cars and Cuppers meet, show the progress, and just go from there. So yeah, massive thanks to Charlie today at Restoration and Refinishing for getting all of this stuff stripped out and pointing out the parts that we need. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the next stage of the process, which will be down Cars and Cuppers, I suppose, and then back up here at Restoration and Finishing for the M-style bumpers. What are you laughing at, Reese? The acne's coming off on the car, look. It's got dandruff. So yeah, we need to get them doors sorted out ASAP as well, because that door is so annoying. Isn't it? Trying to get in and out of that door is such a nightmare. I have to climb in through this side. I have to see, this door's not open now. I just have to open this door. It's just a pain in the ass, isn't it? I found out today we've got a working sunroof though, which is good. But if you can see in the back of the car now, we've just got all of the parts. So yeah, hopefully this don't get robbed. Not like it's worth that much anyway. Yeah, worth a scrap bill. But yeah, thanks Charlie at Restoration Finishing for getting this work done today. Massively appreciate it. Make sure if you're at Cars and Cuppers, come check out this car to keep up to date with the progress. Make sure you like, subscribe, share and all that sort of stuff. And we'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Ciao.